It's the end man said the enye juma obeka say juma said obi abeka was no be a praise. You see, when you are exposing people they won't take it lightly. They'll fight you.
Okay.
It's a idea journalist biano Sagenu ne won't you. And she being a senior journalist, no, I don't see why she was complaining because Oyobia were China the front for a long time. Wakonsa kunyache. And to me, who needs as say no, I said you're back now. Ebia now a break.
Akwabashonko enkoma wa wohweme sabre too much HS so na ene de amene wo say eye yankasa ye maame ye nuaba very lady Afia Pokua wodi sembi ababetu eye edwa wo chiremu a eye 2024 election no enya de say obe cover abato no on cover no ne cover no echine san say yes ehunu bi pen enunti e na aboaserewa wo je ne baabura no yi eye nani ato nche na de wo aka ne pen wo musunsun so a wo hwe no eye mienu san say wo chiremu a wo mo epese wo mo ekunu ha mo no pese wo mo enkuna wo chiremu na che wenya attack twice under the NPP government enya de say abato we wode ne ho ebewrem na ensem ne de oduedue mu ededodo na ene bebeto dwe na busuamo ntwam ho emran ba ya do mu esuko yo na abusuafo say ye to ensem no so amobeka ya ebra 2020 abato no said ye esi ekọ ye no na je dodo na de sobo no ebo vim lady say na je say nsem no won kan ye wo kan de man pipi amanyoko no ne won kọ ne ba na je say nsem no de bisi basa na eba ye emu anso so na eba na NPP for wo mo rally wo asante mantem wo de nani ekokopie mu wo no manu so wo chire mu a je say bro pa de MPs ni bi man bodyguards na ebru no ebi wo ho no ma je say nam so ema na wo ayaresabia enti wo hwe se de wa famu empremium nu ewo because of journalism na one time ema ne ho kwan ema sa no manu esibe no de nsem to you know say I have been a victim of this attack twice under the New Patriotic Party. In 2020 election, I had to flee the country for a month and return later when the coast was clear. Unfortunately, this was not captured in the report. Other journalists were attacked. Now what didn't some no no and I watch them more say near air cost when a bit no more emphasis attack next a bit more dear one more we can no longer continue. I am not the only one. We have several media people who are exciting the industry and moving into public relations, moving into corporate communication because it is safer. No attack emotionally and physically. And no any as an summer what they to a no na do no when say adebi as wo man ensem no ayetintin edodo say won cover biema eno no de wo personal decision no an do na wonye na say wo de ba beto abontin abeto nyendruye na wo be chirechire ye ewo no na eden a na wo pache ebi mu ne say wo predodo ebi no so ne say adwuma no ne hyehye ya na yi no nte denti na say dia fe die wo ba abontin aba be ka ne say dia say de adwuma no wo hunu ye ne say so bi say da fe na de say ebi den eto no na director members e wa ha ye no edomo esuko eja no akwa
yeah
bibi abokodi
oba de na Roma Ukraine
yeda Christo ase na you about vim lady Afia Pokua ne nsema wodi etudwe wodi se waka ana na ehu hia se oba abonti din se we ebebeto edwa
me share what if for no be okay vim lady obi ameka say a family friend through ne brother no ne me brother fine okay. A family friend na me ne nso ye adwuma multitude kakra nti obi a me ne kakra
okay.
Meka say one of the hardest working women in the media I've ever known. Oba Juma as early as 3, no close 11 p.m. all the time. It's a baby what she can do. Na journalism no enye ejuma sebe eye ejuma Editorial.
Okay.
Yeah, we camera guy. The golden rule what camera guy say. Take the last shot before you die. It means say who sing here, hold the camera up and let the camera take the last shot. If you no BRG camera, it's maybe do a magic camera move and I'll let you drown. That is the kind of work we are doing.
Okay.
It's yet Juma sabi and yet Juma Obeka say Juma sabi Obi Abeka was no be a preaching. You see, when you are exposing people they won't take it lightly. they'll fight you.
Okay.
It's a idea journalist biano sagin the won't you. And she being a senior journalist, no, I don't see why she was complaining because Oyobia were China the front for a long time. Wakosa kunyache. And to me, who needs as I say, no, I say you're back now. Ebia now I break. It's like they're supposed to take back seats. Yeah.
So when say and saying attack, I just say my colleagues he being so attacking no because of no what if you know bano and also so can be na man who say upon the modern power bonu no I like one no crampo umbenya na chesa nko woni wono man as what take a year woman ye nunti and a man this answer we able to be a hono so no obefa ne say e wo.
Okay, me say pamti ke say ka sasen me na kakra.
Okay.
And Emami D, despite media,
okay.
And yet, despite as a person, but the company itself.
Okay.
To be frank with you, no, before we are a colleague at work, we always fight for each other.
You cover for each other.
Good. And he said, even if you have grievances, no, it should not be on air. There are a lot of things that air costs or companies, man, they don't bring it out.
Okay.
That is why you have production manager, you have a director, you have this. You need to follow that chain.
Okay.
Now only for Akasa. But to bring the thing out, for the first time, me who said she was a bit angry, but just said she was being polite. What Kwame Tikesia did was totally uncalled for.
Okay.
And the trainer said media a group by to said that was his mind, was something that I was happy about.
Okay.
But they should have stopped there. They should have punished that guy because what he did was inconsistent at the highest order.
I say Obia or a year in the right.
There be, you see, can be a journalist, and you'll be a what quadrant word do mem.
Okay.
Except because you'll be yet to make us.
Okay.
Yet you'll be yet to make us. But send your back casa, now I yes, Sabi, Nyasa Sama Mobino. It takes somebody with skill to do that.
Okay.
Quality can say, yes, small boy. Why you do my check?
Yeah.
And then now, if even you have issues with it, side and all kind of people do it.
Okay.
Online promotion. Show you on.
Yeah.
They do it. And yeah, but you see sometimes no. On person suyani. On person face to face. Say face to face show. They do it online and it's more way.
Okay.
Otherwise, as a practical.
Yeah.
It's independent for what reason? Not only can you not percent or carry on the show now. Maybe the Ananian committee has said the person still wants to work, even though all problem.
Okay.
What you say? But so instead of Ankabe can't answer, and now when you who are you? Is that's why media for you. It's not
so much as woman DCC or yeah, okay.
Forget it. Or be credit see one son or so no back.
Okay.
If your friends say some of you so many they'll be there. But I said two cats on now see what? Who are you? Without the listeners, you are nobody.
You are nobody.
What's the so for you to go at your other colleague, but me feel said those people are their places. They feel threatened by her. They be a maker said multimedia is one place that you train you are on top of issues.
Okay.
Udu baby obi ebe say we no ya tete no. You are entertain na unya you get it anywhere.
Okay.
Into do one they feel threatened. What I said because me who say any jealousy and then you being threatened. I don't see the sense of what that guy was doing.
Okay, it's share with we no a bit me ma yeah ma me vim lady obet me aka say enu nti we jai journalism.
Sure, because also me catch say aduma na ye no you I mean we watch each other's back.
Okay.
What tell me guys enti o colleagues a only we aduma ko no mu you ma. Na I mean,
like
thank you.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I didn't hear no. Oba ahasea, we are like a family.
Okay.
Say bibi two akwa two bia. We all make sure say we all cover. Iti ejuma na wo mu no na wo do wana wo say nkofo bia bo ho kwa. Wo say ade we enko yi. Iti me there so jaya onjai.
Ojaya.
Yeah.
But the statement I will make ya wo chire mu say well ya attacking and ya a victim of a attack twice under the NPP party and I say government NPP amanyoku no eba ye wa ma ye hu say journalism dey dey obenya attack dey keka ye ehun enti say oba bonten ebeka say attack wenya twice under the NPP no ebetimi aka say NPP buy no ma beka nsentro for wo mo adwuma ne bi ahya na wo ma aba betete wo fa hode so wo kwan bi eso ana.
You see me kind of say me there me call say you see there are laws to everything. In journalism, you have different ethics of journalism. Where I then say, as someone make can I prove it?
Okay.
If I can't prove it, I don't have to say it.
Okay.
And you tell me, now most of most of our journalists is someone who can. They can't even prove. Now, unless they want to be prove here, and do one and panel, and do quarter, you have to prove.
Okay.
It's me need baby or attack.
Okay.
Me who back could be a miss or some kabunus and program. Yes.
NPP,
That was yes. That was unfortunate.
Okay.
As someone because journalists there, no matter when you don't beat a journalist.
Okay.
If you have issues with a journalist, find the courts. Now we got trash issues. So that one it was, but Afia Pokua is too big. Say again we I think there's something bigger.
Manasseh Azuri is also making the same statement to say NPP government no journalists.
Okay. Yeah. And I mean patches. You see, depending on where you stand and where you say it.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe there, if Samaka be now Obi be taking me on, take me to the court. Okay. And then if I have proof, I'll prove it.
Okay.
No, Bia who said you were just trying to harass me.
Okay.
But you do court, now me catch you say I don't have proof. Now me see tata me. If you have the evidence, just prove it. Simple.
Okay. Yadi yankomo no eba ne and issues about journalist ubehunu ye say wako pie bi o take coverage national security for threaten guy bi ye share isi ne dodo na SCC say journalist dodo na aba bonten aba be kasa wo mo asho wo mo grievances and no crack baako okopie mu program bi ase ana say ne kaki mpo eka mu a oloke no police ni be share na wo chim so wo ye journalist na say grab no ye bro no ansana just say ye man ehunu anaso wo be hunu so okay na say na dey etie enti with journalism no again na wo sha with GIJ ne wo mo ke ka ho no betimi aye dia boa the journalist institute no as a wo betimi ama wo so feel comfortable e wo movement any bibia emu na yen fa yen komo no ensi
o say journalism no the authority no need too much power.
Samu.
No. They don't have too much power. Okay. You see, as some you can say.
Okay.
Journalists, this why I'm passing
Okay.
Baby. Okay. Even the DJ, the mother body couldn't even hold them. What did I mean? They couldn't even hold them. It's I don't know what can they say, what can they say? Maybe they say, if you're exposing corruption, I'm okay.
Okay.
But sometimes, you can't say, who say, I say, I can't idea. Original hunting or can they say? A journalist is not supposed to be partial.
Okay.
You are supposed to be what? The third arm of government.
Okay.
Fourth. What is a fourth? What I said, democracy. Yes. Until some journalists now wrestle. Maybe Adam would be a fast here, and that's a bit near who said, would that baby? After who can't say, thank you. Yes. It's after who can't say now, or be sure with different eye.
Okay.
But what you know, hoping to say, I didn't travel America there. Open say, there are your war, want to be total. And no, the society will fight for you.
Okay.
And your bonus or because they are chasing you. It's a journalism as much as police force to be harassed and all that. Let's also look at ourselves.
Okay.
Are we doing the work that we are supposed to do?
Okay.
Because we journalists with Brahma call your reporter because of what we call solid, solid.
Yeah.
On my GT program no, I'm out. And also, and corruption.
Okay.
It's your share. Near can see a training now back one. You made mistake. Sure.
Joe, now it's a busy beda was now I was here for once watching your fans no hono, but media baba soon away comment section. Like your videos na share on all the social media platforms so media and Afia Sikapa Makram.